Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today is day 11. It's really not, I know I'm behind, but I told myself, doing this, I wouldn't push myself if I wasn't feeling up to it. Just so I wouldn't exhaust myself. But that doesn't mean, I'm not going to do my best to do 31 looks. So this is making up for it. And what this is, I had the idea. Now before anybody comes with me, I've done like a spider witch a couple years ago. I did one before that, before I even knew about YouTube. It wasn't the greatest thing, but I've improved, and so I'm going to give you something. I have nothing on my face, but imagine if I had foundation and stuff like that, like I was at work all day. But I'm going to give you like a 5-minute look. Go to work, and then like depending on your shift or what you have to do, you might have to leave directly after work. So go to that Halloween party, that trick-or-treat event, that fall festival, whatever you're doing, you might have 5 minutes to come up with something. You want a little something, maybe even a little something else. So as long as even if you wear a uniform, you can pack a black dress and some leggings or tights, but at least a black dress or a skirt and a black top, or just a black top and some jeans or leggings, jeggings, whatever you want. Okay, that takes like 2 minutes to slip on, slip off, if that. But anyway, I'm going to give you a face. So normally I would have my regular makeup on, but even if you don't, we might not have time for foundation during this look. We're not going to have time for foundation in this look. I'm going to give you I found if you can distract with the eye and lips, no one cares about the rest of your face. So we're going to do that. And really, I can do this, like you only need 2 things. And I can give you a look, but I'm also going to go ahead and do my eye makeup because I ain't got no, I'll stitch some makeup on right now. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eye makeup while I'm at it. But I'm going to go with, like, say you just have a neutral look on one eye. Like, that's your makeup is neutral for work. And on the other eye, maybe you went a little colorful, but not crazy, but still wearable for work kind of thing. So I'm just going to give it to you 2 ways. But I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. This isn't it because I would have eye makeup on, but I guess if you don't, you can count this as time. And that way you don't have to pack a lot or anything like that. So I'm going to give you, like, really, like, I do my eye makeup every day, and it's pretty okay. With 2 brushes at work. One's a dual ender, but still. So I'm going to go into this light buff shade. This is the little I Heart Donut. And I'm going to like just give myself a neutral look on this eye. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and use that as a crease color on this side as well. And pick up this gold shade. I mean, you might be all neutral matte, but I'm never neutral matte. I'm partly ever neutral, so it's fine. And go on that side. I'm going to pick up that dark brown on this side and like give myself a little outer corner, outer V look. And I'm going to go in with this underneath and just blend it out. So even if you don't have time for makeup at work, or you don't wear makeup because of your job, whatever that is, there you go. You can like smear that up under your brow bone. Just a little bit, really quick and easy. Like, say you can juice your look a little bit at work, okay? But you can play with a little bit of color at work. This is a James Charles palette. I don't recommend you bring this to work, but I'm gonna give you the idea of it. I don't have a smaller one in here that would suit my purposes that has a purple. BH Weekend Festival. It's a smaller palette. I mean, it'll fit in your purse very comfortably, so long as you have a medium-sized purse. Stick it in the trunk of your car, it'll be alright. Grab that, because that should have, yeah, that has a purple and an orange in it. What else palette? I'll go purple underneath. Yeah, what other palette has purple in it? There's some, the Norvina, the original, or the Pro Pigment one. I wouldn't throw that in your car though, but the Norvina one has purple in it, and I think like an orangey color. White color, and we're going to go in the inner corner right there. And onto the lid just a bit, and up there. Mascara. I'm going to go with this Kissy because it's handy. This is a fiber mascara. Hank and Henry liner, which I haven't really used, but we're gonna go for it, okay? Now we're gonna do a little wing action on this eyeball. Can't do a wing, don't worry about it. Just add a little bit of liner. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now, start from right here. Go up. Go. I'm gonna make it as thick. It's kind of a thick felt line. If you have a drugstore liquid liner, I don't recommend pencils or grease paint. It'll mess up and probably make you itchy, so you don't need that in your life. You don't even need a wing, or should I do a wing on the side? Doesn't really matter. Okay, because you don't really need to see, my hairline is so close to this eyeball, it's hilarious. All right. Go with Alien NYX. NYX has the Epic ink liner, so you can make this all drugstore. I just don't have my Epic ink liner in here. And there you go. That should have took like 5 minutes. My talking. So quick, easy, just moving. You might want to practice this on a sheet of paper, just if you're not used to it. And remember, the contour of your face, your hairline, the size of your eyeballs are going to make a difference. So, but seriously, like, it would take 5 minutes to do the lips, that, like, in the wing. There you go. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Granny, if you have makeup on already, the black lines are going to take less than 5 minutes, believe me, in the lipstick. So that's all you gotta worry about. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.